Welcome to Osaka. Osaka is famous for its food, architecture, and top tourist attractions. Let me show you a few of the main attractions around Osaka. Universal Studios in Osaka is one of 6 Universal Studio theme parks. You can enjoy scary rides like Hollywood Backdrop or Flying Dinosaur or try Harry Potter castle illuminations. This is a must-do activity in Osaka. Osaka Castle is one of the famous landmarks in Osaka. You can enjoy the view of the castle or you can buy a ticket worth around 600 yen to visit inside the castle. You also have the option to take pictures wearing samurai costumes or get a stamp of the castle. Tottenberry Street is very busy with food shops and famous for large billboards. You can find many places to have lunch, dinner or street foods. This is a good place to experience Osaka nightlife. Osaka Aquarium is one of the largest aquariums in the world. The entry ticket per adult is around 2,400 yen. But it is worth the visit. You will get to see seals, penguins, whale sharks, jellyfish, and diverse marine wildlife. At the end of the tour, don't forget to touch sharks. This is one of the rare experiences. Around 1 hour train ride from Osaka, you can reach Himeji Castle, which is one of the 12 original castles in Japan. There is one more place I think worth visiting if you travel passing Himeji. That is Hiroshima Atomic Bomb Dome and Museum. This is the first atomic bomb dome in human history. I would highly recommend visiting the museum to see how cruel and dangerous nuclear war and testing can be to society and how people suffer for decades. I hope I added few attractions to your bucket list in your next Japan trip.